Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, is a well-maintained short-box stepside pickup that combines classic styling with practical functionality. It has been driven 144,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior, creating a cohesive and timeless appearance that stands out while still maintaining a vintage charm. Inside, the vehicle is fitted with factory bucket seats that provide a comfortable driving experience, along with a factory-installed air conditioning system that remains in good working condition. Powered by gasoline, the truck delivers dependable performance suitable for various needs. One of its standout features is the included Myers snowplow setup, which adds significant utility for winter conditions or snow removal tasks. In terms of additional features, the truck comes with 2 sets of tires, offering flexibility for different seasons or driving conditions, as well as a matching fiberglass cap that enhances both storage capacity and protection for cargo. The owner has also invested in important recent maintenance and upgrades, including new brake lines and transmission lines, which contribute to safer and smoother operation. A new aluminum radiator has also been installed, helping to improve cooling efficiency and overall engine reliability.
Number 2.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $7,995. It has been driven 142,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. Powered by a 2.3L 4-cylinder gasoline engine, it is known for its fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for both daily commuting and light-duty work. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a neat gray interior, giving it a simple yet well-kept appearance. It comes fitted with good condition tires and has already passed a recent emissions test, indicating that it is road-ready and properly maintained. In addition, the vehicle includes practical enhancements such as a sturdy ladder rack and a durable hard bed cover that can be opened from both sides, providing added convenience, security, and versatility when carrying tools or cargo. As a short cab, short bed configuration, this Ranger offers a compact size that is easy to maneuver while still being functional.
Number 3.
1986 Jeep Comanche, price $4,995, finished in white with a distinctive red interior. It has been driven 88,000 miles, which is relatively low for its age. The vehicle is powered by a 2.5L inline-4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and features a 2-wheel drive system, offering a simple and engaging driving experience. It runs and drives well and has recently been fitted with 4 brand new tires, making it ready for use. As part of its key features, this Comanche combines a classic manual setup, dependable engine configuration, low mileage, and a unique color combination that adds to its vintage appeal. However, the air conditioning is currently not working, and the windshield will need to be replaced for inspection.
Number 4.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $5,499. It has been driven 181,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a classic and practical look. Well known for its longevity and low maintenance costs, the Ford Ranger has built a strong reputation as a trustworthy and efficient truck in its class. In terms of condition, this vehicle continues to perform well, with a strong running engine and a smooth shifting transmission that contributes to a comfortable driving experience. The interior remains clean and well kept for its age, reflecting careful use over the years. Additionally, it delivers good fuel efficiency for a pickup truck, making it a practical choice for both work-related tasks and everyday commuting.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, that has been driven 220,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. The truck is equipped with a floor-mounted 4x4 system and is reported to run, drive, and shift smoothly with no engine warning lights present. It also offers both cold air conditioning and effective heating for comfort in various conditions. In addition, the vehicle stands out with its 24-inch axe compression forged wheels and a Pro Comp lift kit, giving it a strong, clean stance and an appealing overall look.
Despite its solid condition, there is a minor exhaust leak noted. Number 6.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $3,995, is a solid work truck and dependable daily beater, powered by a 3.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven 210,000 miles and features a black exterior with a gray interior, giving it a clean and practical look. The truck comes equipped with cold air conditioning that works well, making it comfortable for daily use, although the heater is currently not functioning. With its automatic transmission, strong utility, and reliable performance, it remains a practical option for anyone looking for an affordable truck for work, hauling, or general transportation.
Number 7.
1999 Ford F-150, price $6,500, with approximately 118,000 original miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline.
It features a white exterior with a tan interior and comes in an extended cab, 2WD configuration, with key features such as cold AC, smooth shifting, and relatively low mileage for its age. The truck is powered by a 5.4L 2-valve V8 engine that starts easily and runs strong. The interior remains in good condition overall, with clean leather seats, although there is a tear on the driver's seat. It has been upgraded with full sound deadening throughout the cabin for a noticeably quieter ride, along with an Apple CarPlay head unit, backup camera, and improved door speakers. The headliner is sagging. On the exterior, the paint still presents fairly well, but there are visible dents, dings, and cosmetic imperfections, including damage to the tailgate. Number 8.
1996 Ford F-250, price $5,995, is offered with 105,000 miles and powered by a 5.8L V8 engine. It comes equipped with a newly installed Meyer pump and plow, enhancing its usefulness for snow removal or similar work. Recent repairs include the replacement of the right front spindle, both inner and outer wheel bearings, and the four-wheel drive lockout hub, indicating ongoing maintenance. The body shows typical rust commonly found in older Ford trucks.
It should also be noted that the rear fuel tank is not present. Number 9.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a dependable 305 engine. The truck runs very well and delivers a smooth driving experience. With only 36,000 miles on the odometer, it stands out as a low-mileage example for its age. Visually, the truck features a striking orange exterior that captures attention, complemented by a clean tan interior that enhances its vintage character. It runs on gasoline and remains in solid condition overall, with very little rust, an important factor for a vehicle of this era. The combination of low mileage, reliable performance, attractive color pairing, and well-maintained condition makes this truck a desirable and practical classic, suitable for both everyday enjoyment and collectible value.
Number 10.
1997 Ford F-150, price $2,600, with approximately 143,000 miles, powered by a V8 4.6 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The truck features a burgundy exterior and a gray interior, and it comes equipped with power windows and power door locks. As part of its key features, it offers a reliable V8 engine, automatic transmission for easy driving, and basic comfort amenities, making it a practical option for daily use or light-duty work. The vehicle has received several recent updates, including a new radiator, battery, front brake calipers, rear drum cylinders, as well as new spark plugs and wires.
However, there are a few known issues. The tires are old, though they still hold air. The interior requires some refurbishment. There are 2 to 3 minor rust spots, and both the air conditioning and heating systems are not functioning. Additionally, the odometer is not working.